Welcome back to Brotuned. Today I'm going to try something a little different. I have 5 different SK kind of ammos, including Center X. I'm going to start with that. We're going to go from most expensive to least expensive of the ones I have here, and we'll see how that turns out. See what the point of diminishing returns is. Alright, so today let's try something a little different. We have Center X, High Velocity Match, Standard Plus, Pistol Match Special, and Semi-Auto Rifle. And that's in order from most expensive to the least expensive. Obviously, Center X is the most expensive, but that's kind of the go-to ammo for my rifle. Like, I get the best accuracy. Not for the price, but it's what I used for the Fly Swatter Challenge, which is pretty important to be accurate with that challenge. So let's see what it does on target downrange. Get the bag all set up, ditch the glasses, wipe my brow from all the sweat. It's super hot and humid again, but there's quite a bit of wind today too, so it's not the greatest conditions to be shooting in. But can't pick your days. And I was working on the house, as you can see there, basically for the last 8 days straight, from ripping it down to rebuilding it. Now it's time to shoot again. It's watertight. First ammo up, Lapua Center X at $23.99 per box of 50. And last time I shot this rifle was for the Fly Swatter Challenge, and I haven't cleaned it since. So it's gonna have the toughest time. We'll see what kind of cold bore shift, if there is one at all. And like I said, lots of wind. Let's deal with it. First shot. Safeties. Oh God. Pretty good cold bore shot there. Ooh, not sure with that one though. And last shot. So I go and talk it all up, and then that happens. Get a crazy flyer like that. The next group with High Velocity Match, and this stuff's $12.49 for 50. And this will be the next target down. A lot more snap there. Also looking very good so far. Don't want to speak too soon though. All right. Looks like if it wasn't for that flyer, Center should be up front, but it's not. Next up at $11.99, SK Standard Plus. This is also, for the price, very good ammo, but now I'm gonna probably jinx myself downrange. Let's see what happens. And here we go. SK Standard Plus. Speaks for itself. Next in line, at $9.99 a box, SK Pistol Match Special. Let's see how special the pistol match is. Target number 4, next one down. Natural point aim. Oh, starting to notice a bit more flyers now, but still acceptable for $10 a box. But stepping up to $12 makes a bit of a difference, I think. The next 5-shot group will be shot with semi-auto rifle, and this stuff is $8.99 a box. Cheapest one out of the SK that I can get at my store. And let's see how it performs. Close my eyes. A little bit of sweat dripped in it on the last shot, but still looking pretty good. I think best value though is still Standard Plus. Let me know what you guys think about that. And hopefully I get this little project right here finished up a little quicker, get more free time again, get back to doing more shooting. I start my summer holidays in another couple of weeks too. And then I'm going to be on a trip, so I'll try to get some more footage out ASAP for you guys. And check you all next week. Take care, guys.
Never go full retard.